Hey, excuse me.
Hi.
Do you live alone?
Yeah, I live alone.
Can I get a tour of your apartment?
Sure, yeah.
Are you really? Yeah, of course.
Let's go.
Lucky day. Let's go. So, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. My name is Alyssa Edwards, and I'm 25 years old, and I've been living in Korea for almost 1 year now, which is crazy. It's gone by so fast.
What do you do in Korea?
I am a teacher here.
What do you teach?
I teach 4th graders, so I have a degree in elementary education. So that certifies me for K through 6th grade. And yeah, right now I'm teaching 4th and I love it.
Okay, so what do you usually do at home?
Usually at home, like after work, I will come home and just chill on my couch, read a book or watch Netflix, and then I'll go to the gym or go to a Pilates class, and then I'll come back and chill some more, maybe eat some dinner, and then go to sleep. I'm pretty boring.
Okay. So how is living alone in Korea compared to your own country?
So when I was living in America and I was teaching there, I felt like my salary was pretty good, but I still couldn't afford to live alone. I had to live with roommates, and that was an adventure. Living with random people is a gamble, and I definitely had some crazy roommates. And that was hard because I had a career, and so I had to be responsible, and it kind of was hard to not have my own place and have them on their own time and me on my own time. It kind of caused some problems, and so living here and having my own place and being able to have my own schedule and do my own thing is just so nice. I love it.
So not only you got financial freedom, but you also have some freedom yourself, right?
Yeah, because living in America is so expensive. I could not afford to live alone anywhere. It's crazy.
Okay, so then what is the most important thing when choosing an apartment?
For me, it's definitely, it has to all make sense. That's why I really like this place. The counter space, the way that everything's set up, the storage, the way that you can organize your furniture, everything just kind of makes sense in this apartment. So that was really great for me. I liked that it just feels really homey and spacious. I don't get claustrophobic because of the high ceilings. And yeah, so for me, it was just that ability to have a place to live and chill and have friends over, and then a place to sleep.
Okay. Well, last question. Anything surprising or different in Korean apartments?
Ooh, when I first got here, I didn't realize how capsule everything is, but it's so cool, what they'll do to make extra storage. The walls are hollow, so you can put things inside, the closets inside of the wall, and the stairs have shelves inside of them, and so everything is really useful. And so that was really cool to see, just the way that they made extra storage space.
But you used to live in house, right?
Yeah.
So isn't it too small for you?
I think it does take some getting used to, especially if you come from a place like America where you do live in houses. But I think I got used to it pretty quick, and just the convenience of where I live too, the delivery system and how everything is so walkable, it really is good for me.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, sorry.
Come on in. You have to take your shoes off because we live in Korea.
But you're American, no?
But when you live in a country, you gotta follow the country's, way of living.
Correct.
So come on in.
Okay, thank you.
My place is a little bit small, but I love it. You come in. So right here is my kitchen area. It's kind of small. There's not a lot of counter space, but I don't do a lot of cooking, so it's perfect for me. There's a lot of storage right here. My random ingredients and plate area. This is my fridge and my freezer.
Oh, you have a lot of things.
Yeah, I do love this apartment because it's got really good storage. This is where I keep all my cleaning supplies. And then we have my washer. In America, you would usually have your oven here. So when I first came, I was like, this is weird.
Right, induction, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I do my laundry right here. Over here is where I keep my microwave, air fryer, rice cooker. And I love this part because it folds out into rolls out into a table. And I like that because it does give you some more counter space to do some cooking. And then I've got more storage under here. I just keep random stuff in there. This is like this is my cupboard where I just throw random stuff. So we're not gonna look in there.
Okay.
And then I got more storage up here. I just keep like my medicine, towels, things like that.
So do you even cook rice yourself?
Yeah.
So you became Korean, no?
Yeah, I actually got, I went to the DMZ like a month ago, and I bought some rice there that...
You bought rice in DMZ? What the hell, right? Well, show me. Oh my.
It's so good. Because, you know, like they have a lot of farm areas out there.
Ah, okay.
And so the rice out there is, I don't know if I got like sold on something that's not true, but they have really good rice fields out there because the water, I guess, is better over there. I don't know, but it's really good. It genuinely does taste better.
So DMZ rice tastes better than normal one.
Yes.
So it tastes like North Korea? Well,
Well, maybe I'm just easily influenced. I don't know, but it's really good.
okay, I never seen in my life. You know, I live here like for over 30 years and never seen that. So
I also just took a trip to Osaka and I got this like rice. What is that called? Rice seasoning.
ah,
It's so good.
furigake, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You tried this? It's so good. Again, we were walking just down like a street in Osaka, and they were giving away free samples, and I ate it, and I was like, "Yep, I'm gonna go buy one." It's so good.
Easy business, huh?
Yeah, I make business easy. I don't cook very much. I sometimes do, but right now I'm like really low on groceries. So let's take a look at what's inside.
Okay.
I've got 2 old peaches and some orange juice, some eggs, some leftovers from Coupon Eats. This is a twosome cake that I didn't finish. And then kimchi, sriracha mayo,
Sriracha mayo, okay.
some old Coca-Colas, some cheese, protein shakes, and yeah. I have some meat, some ice, bread, and then like bokkeumbap frozen packages because those are just really easy to cook. Some more bokkeumbap packages. Yeah.
You love frozen food, huh?
Yeah.
American. Huh?
American style.
Yeah. Do you know how to make ramen?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
Of course I know.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
Okay, what else? Oh, let's go over here now towards my bathroom. I also did, clothing rack just for my dresses because they didn't fit in there and I didn't want them to get wrinkled, so I just hang up my long dresses here.
So did you set up yourself?
It was actually here from the other person that lived here.
Ah.
She left it for me, so I was happy because I was gonna buy one anyway.
So generous, huh?
Yeah, right. Okay, and now my bathroom. It's kind of small. This is the toilet and the counter area, the sink. I hang my toothbrush up here because I don't like leaving it on the counter. I feel like it grosses me out, so I like to hang it. And then this is so much storage. Again, this is why I love this apartment. It just has crazy good storage. I have so much stuff that I put in here. It's so nice. And then my shower.
Yeah, you have a kind of like separated.
Yeah, a little bit separated,
Shower.
which I like. When I first came, though, the water pressure was so bad. Like, when I would turn on the hot water, it was just like a little sprinkle, so that was rough. But they fixed it for me, which was really nice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Well, I like your tower too.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
You bought it yourself?
Yeah.
Can you recommend me the must-have item?
Must-have item. DMZ rice. Just kidding.
Okay, DMZ rice.
Honestly, my air fryer, because they don't have ovens in Korea, and so this is kind of like my little oven. And it's so nice because you can make like cookies in there, or you can cook meat, or basically do what you would with an oven for most things, which is really nice because I did use the oven a lot when I lived in America, and so it was kind of hard at first to find recipes where you only did it on the stove, if that makes sense.
You're more Korean than me.
Way more Korean than you? Why?
Yeah, because I don't even have air fryer.
Oh, really?
To be honest, yeah.
I feel like air fryer is a very American thing, no? Or is it
I
a
don't know.
Korean thing?
In Korea, it's really popular.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone
I love
has.
mine. It's so good. Okay, and then this is the general living area. I've got my couch, which pulls out into a futon, so when my friends want to sleep over, they can come crash here. I love this table. It's got a lot of counter space. This is typically where I eat, watch Netflix. read. I have my Kindle. I do lots of reading here.
Ah, okay.
This is the best book ever. You should read it. Really good book.
Okay.
We come over here. This is my closet. I really love the space that I have. It's kind of messy in there, but I can fit all my clothes really well in here. This is where I keep my jackets, my gym stuff.
Oh, okay.
And this is like miscellaneous random things. My guitar.
Do you play the guitar?
A little bit.
Show me.
Self-taught.
Show me.
I'm not ready for performances yet. This is my decoration.
Okay.
I bought this shelf off of Coupon.
Coupon.
I built it myself, so don't look too closely at it. Some of the shelves are a little bit sloped. That's okay.
I think it's fine. As long as it stays, who cares, huh?
Exactly. And the best thing about this apartment is that it's a loft. So I have all of this like living space, and then we go up the stairs, and that's where I sleep. So it's really nice.
So your bedroom is separated over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I love that because when I first came to Korea, I lived in just like a studio, and I felt like so cramped in there. I felt like I was cooking right next to my bed, and I didn't love that. And so it's nice to have this separation. It really is like perfect for me.
Okay. Now it's bedroom time. Let's go.
Let's go right this way.
Okay. I need to be careful.
Yeah, sometimes
Okay.
it is a hazard, especially if you're like waking up in the middle of the night to go pee. It's a little bit scary, and I also have like bonked my head a few times, so watch out for that.
What if you're drunk and you come home and then you need to climb, right?
You should not be drinking if you live in a loft. That's
Oh,
what I'm saying.
okay.
Somebody installed this little like bumper right here because I feel like somebody has like they were bumping their head here and they were sick of it, so it's like padded right there.
Does it help?
Yeah, it actually really does.
Okay.
The first time my friend Anna stayed over, it was so funny because we slept up here and then my two other friends slept down there. And I woke up to the sound of her going, oh! She smacked her head. It was so funny. Okay, come. This is my bed. And it's a little bit messy up here just because I don't really do much. It's not super decorated, but yeah, but it's nice.
Thank you. Oh.
Yeah, I love it here. It's the best.
Good? Do you have more item or that's it?
This is my yoga mat. Sometimes I'll do like a little yoga session right here if I'm too lazy to walk to the gym, which is so silly because the gym is just right down the street from me, and in America you used to drive like 15 minutes to get there, so I shouldn't be lazy. But this is my cute little cat bugging the fishes art that I love. I just think it's cute. And I really, really love color, so everything's really colorful in here.
Where did you get that?
Take a guess.
Coupon?
Coupon?
I gotcha. Thank you for showing me.
No problem.
Okay. When my ramen is gonna be ready?
Right away.
Okay.